Hi everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch, and today we're going to work on a cornucopia. This is a vine cornucopia, and I think this is like an 8-inch by 16.5-inch size. I got this from a local store, but you can find them, I think Factory Direct and Consumers Crafts has them. I will post the link when I'm done here. Also, I got 3 bags of the decorative fruit. I have 2 bags with the gourds in there, and then 1 bag was these acorns right here, which are super cute. They come in different sizes, different colors. That's from the Dollar General. They're $3 a bag. And then also I bought one of those, the cream dahlia mix from Walmart for $5. I just bought one and cut it up here. So what I'm doing right now is just taking some wire. This is a 18 gauge galvanized steel wire, and I'm just popping it through the back of the gourds. These are foam, so it goes in pretty easy. And then I'll pull them out and then I'll glue them in so they don't move. And then we're going to start making our cornucopia. So I'll be right back. I'm going to finish putting all the wire in. I forgot to mention the foam block. This is just a dry foam extra piece I had laying around, actually. Get these from Dollar Tree or Walmart, Dollar General, anywhere like that. Excuse me, I got stuff falling over here. And I'm just going to hit this with some glue here on the back, just to kind of, oh, I'm running out of my glue. Just so it sticks into there, it doesn't move. Just hold down for a little bit. Okay, I'm going to have all this cut up over here. Like I said, here these just pushed right in. I just hit them with glue and then pushed it back in. So let's start decorating. Just going to hit the end with a little glue. And it's just a matter of your preference of where you might want to stick something. And that's what's nice about the wire, is you can bend it. And some of my wire is longer, but I think I'm going to cut this off a little bit. And it's just a matter of your preference of how you want to decorate this, but it's super cute. The cornucopia I bought for $5. It was for $4.99, and I know I've seen it. It's an impulse buy. I was at the store, but I know I've seen it cheaper online for like $3 something. So again, I'll definitely put the link in for you. I'll put this one up here. We'll do this fun green gourd. In the middle here. And we're just gonna, you can just move them and position them how you want. And we'll add more in there, I'm sure. I just want to get a feel for how it's gonna look. What's nice about the wire is that it bends. And you can push this in a little farther if you want some closer, or pull it out more. It's up to you. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for fall. I have my tall boots on with my long sweater. I'm ready for some hot cocoa around the campfire. I love fall. It's my favorite time of year. And of course, you know, Halloween. See, I live out in the country, so we don't get a lot of trick-or-treaters or anything like that. So I don't go crazy outside, although I would love to. But so what I do is do a bunch of decorations or the fall trees or something and give them to my mom, because she gets a lot of trick-or-treaters at her house, and I like to she can have some pretty decorations out there. Let's see. I'm trying to think where I'm going to put this. I'm just filling it in how I want, and you know, you can always add lights to it. That's something I don't think about till I'm doing it, and I'm thinking, oh shoot, I need lights. So we're filling that in, and let's see, this one, we'll go over here. So I'm going to keep working. I'm almost done, and we'll just keep filling in and make it full, and then we'll be back. Also in that bag of decorative fruit, there were some pine cones. So now I can't find my typical wire I would use to wrap pine cones, which is the, I think it's like a 20 or 22 gauge wire. So what you do is kind of hook it around. I'm just going to show this right now, and wrap the wire in the pine cones like that. Let's see, this is coming out. But the smaller gauge wire, of course, you're not going to see. And then you're going to hit it with some glue. This one's not done as well. And then we're going to let that set up. So then as you can go ahead and just put some pine cones throughout it here and there, so that just adds to your, and you're going to want to hit the ends with glue, but I'm just going to stick it in here for video's sake. And just put them around, stick them out here and there. Let's see. And just position it so it looks cute. And then we're going to go ahead and take a picture of it up on the table, and so you can see how it's going to look when it's all said and done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for joining me, and make sure you like and subscribe. I do have more coming. Actually, I have a pretty cool garland that's going to be coming. So make sure you like and subscribe, and you'll get notified when that video's out. Thank you so much.